You are about to traverse the epics, to rub elbows with emperors and philosophers, to feel the pulse of Rome and witness the grandeur and the grit of an era that forged the Western world.
You are the unity, which is Rome.
Welcome to your odyssey through the rise and fall of Rome. This is your time mission. Travel to the Roman Empire. Your adventure begins in the heart of Rome, the Republic teetering on the brink of imperial destiny. It's 44 BC, and the Forum Romanum is alive with the fervor of a city that commands the world's attention. Here, in the marketplace of power, you walk among the titans of history. The air vibrates with the eloquence of Cicero and the ambition of Julius Caesar. You are not a mere spectator. You are a participant in the unfolding drama of Rome's ascent. The Games. As the empire burgeons, its appetite for grandeur and spectacle swells. The year leaps forward to 80 AD, and you find yourself swept up in the throngs flocking to the Coliseum's inaugural games. This amphitheater, a marvel of engineering, is a microcosm of the empire's might and its merciless heart. You witness the lives of the gladiators, men and sometimes women, who are the day's true stars. Some are slaves, seeking redemption and freedom through victory. Others are volunteers, lured by fame and the roar of the crowd. Their lives are rigorous, disciplined by the strictest training to ensure the most thrilling spectacles.
Are you not entertained?
The games begin, and the Coliseum comes alive with the clash of steel. The gladiators' fates hinge on their skill, the whims of the crowd, and the emperor's thumb turned up for mercy or down for death. These games are more than mere sport. They are a testament to Roman authority, a ritualized display of the empire's unassailable power. Philosophy. Amidst the clamor and spectacle, you seek respite in the company of one of Rome's great minds. You find yourself seated across from Seneca, a Stoic philosopher and advisor to emperors. His words offer a stark contrast to the bloodshed of the arena, speaking to the virtues of wisdom, temperance, and the pursuit of a life unswayed by external fortunes and misfortunes. Seneca challenges you to consider the meaning behind the empire's grand displays, to question the value of a civilization's achievements when weighed against the moral fiber of its people. In this exchange, you grapple with the complexities of human nature and the paradoxes of Roman society, a civilization capable of both great cultural feats and profound cruelty.
A proud republic of virtuous women and honest men.
The fall of the empire. But even the mightiest of empires has its dusk. The passage of time brings you to the waning days of the Western Roman Empire. You witness the economic struggles, the political corruption, and the military defeats that gnaw at the empire's foundations. The Visigoths' sack of Rome in 410 AD is no longer a distant event in a history book. It's a palpable, somber moment that signals the beginning of the end. You stand amidst the ruins, contemplating the fall. The once invincible city is now a shadow of its former self, its glory days recounted in hushed tones by those who remember. The fall of Rome is a testament to the transient nature of power and the inevitability of change. It serves as a poignant reminder that all empires, no matter how grand, are subject to the relentless march of time. As you return to the present, the echoes of the Coliseum and the wisdom of Seneca linger. You have traversed the zenith and nadir of human endeavor, from the marble halls of power to the blood-soaked sands of the arena. You return with a deeper understanding of the Roman Empire, an entity that shaped the course of history, an empire that rose to unparalleled heights and fell to dust, as we all must eventually. Welcome back, traveler. Your sojourn through the Roman Empire has concluded, but the lessons of history remain, as enduring as the ruins that still stand beneath the eternal city's sky. But don't get too comfortable. Time to strap in for your next mission, becoming a medieval knight. Think you can handle it?